Welcome back to your English class. Today I am going to explain chapter 6, the rest part of the book. So we are going to start. Let's start. Take out your page number 91. C number exercise is here. Now read these sentences and add the where required. Here is a sentence and you have to put द ओके यहाँ पर कुछ सेंटेंस दे रखे हैं, वहाँ पर आपको द का यूज़ करके उसे फुल सेंटेंस बनाना है. सो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज वी विजिटेड ताजमहल लास्ट मंथ. ताजमहल लास्ट मंथ, इट मीन्स यू हैव टू पुट द बिफोर ताजमहल. ओके, सो व्हाट वाज योर सेंटेंस? व्हाट इज योर सेंटेंस? वी विजिटेड द ताजमहल लास्ट मंथ. ओके. Second sentence, dog was sleeping in the basket. So you have to put the before the dog. Okay. The dog was sleeping in the basket. Okay. Third sentence, my cousin visited us in winter of 2018. Okay. So my cousins visited us in the winter of 2018. ये तो आपको पता ही है. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the ground, in the basket, and in the winter season. This is in the winter of 2012. So, fourth is Rita was kind teacher. This sentence is right, so we will not change this sentence. Next, fifth number. We eat lots of ice cream in month of June. In the month of June. So, our sentence will be we eat lots of ice cream in the month of June. Okay. Sixth principle. Before principle you have to put the, that's why the principle. When you write the application, you write to the principal. Okay, it's very easy. So you have to put the principal of our school is a reputed teacher. Okay. Our next exercise is page number 93. Put apostrophe where required. है ना? एपिस्ट्रॉफी को हमें पुट करना है जहाँ पर उसकी ज़रूरत है. सबसे पहली चीज़ तो एपिस्ट्रॉफी का यूज़ हम एक्सप्रेशन में करते हैं. हमें वर्ड सेंटेंस के मीनिंग को शो ऑफ करने में किया जाता है. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जांपल हम शॉर्ट करने के लिए भी करते हैं, जैसे कि हर्ट्स है ना. हर्ट्स हो गया तो जो HER रहता है उसके बाद जो S रहता है उसके ऊपर एपिस्ट्रॉफी यूज़ करते हैं. जैसे लेट अस गो, तो लेट अस गो की शॉर्ट फॉर्म क्या हो जाती है? लेट्स गो. That is apostrophe. So first sentence is let's go out and play. है ना. यहाँ पे let us नहीं दिया हुआ है, इसकी short form दे रखी let's. तो you have to put apostrophe this. Okay. Let's go out and play. Second is the cat was chasing its tail. It's उसकी पूंछ है ना, उसकी. ठीक. That's why here use its. But apostrophe is missing, so you have to put its like this. Okay. Third is this book is hers, not mine. Hers. Here is hers, so you have to put apostrophe before s. Okay. So this sentence is correct. Fourth is it's a cold day today. It means it's. You have to put apostrophe before s. It's a cold day today. Fifth is did not you find your book. Did not, didn't है ना. हम इस तरीके से उसको शॉर्ट में ले लेते हैं. तो अब ये देखिए did and you have to put apostrophe before the T. So did not. Okay. Did not you find your book. Rima borrowed मीराज पेंसिल. मीराज उसकी पेंसिल, मीराज की पेंसिल है ना. उसकी के लिए अब यहाँ पर एपिस्ट्रॉफी यूज हुआ है. इट मीन्स मीराज. यू हैव टू पुट एपिस्ट्रॉफी बिफोर एस. ओके. So our next exercise is page number 93. Here is a summary of the story. Okay. Fill in the blanks with words from the story given in the box. Here is some clues also, so we have to put that clues in this story. So first of all, we will read this story and put that clues. Okay. Aunt Ruby wanted a parrot. Aunt Ruby wanted a parrot. Okay. For a pet. So she bought it from a, कहाँ से खरीदा था उसने? Bird catcher. She wanted to teach. उसको पढ़ाना चाहती थी. She wanted to teach it to, क्यों? बात करने के लिए, to talk. But the bird took an instant. Bird उसको क्या करती थी? पसंद करता था क्या वो parrot? नहीं ना? तो dislike to Aunt Ruby and refused to talk. Aunt Ruby became very annoyed after it knocked off her spectacles. उसके चश्मे के पास उसने इसको knock किया था ना, spectacles. She made hostile. फिर उसने उसको बंद कर दिया था, hostile. Okay. Comment about the bird and made faces at it. The Arthur कितने साल का था? 10 years old at that time. He fed the bird. क्या खिलाता था वो bird को? Green chilies and mangoes. One day he left the उसका जो पिंजरे का क्या उसने छोड़ दिया था ढीला? Door. Okay. Of the case open and the bird flew off into the mango orchard. A few days passed. One fine day it returned. The bird shrieked in Aunt Ruby's familiar tone. You are no beauty, can't talk and can't sing and can't dance. Okay. So this exercise also completed by me, and this one also left. 94 page number, my word bank. Write 4 compound words from this story. So I have written here, you note it down in your book. First is bird catcher, second is lovebirds, third is goldfish, and fourth is ruby red. Okay. Our 2 exercises left also. One is page number 92. So come on, take out fast. Listen to the passage about domestication of dogs and arrange the sentence in the correct order. Here is sentence, 8 tenses there are, and we have to arrange it one by one. Okay. So one it has done by the book. First is domestication of dogs begin in the Ice Age. Okay. So second sentence should be here. Okay. Second sentence is dog evolved from wolves that followed nomadic hunters. This is second. Okay. I have mentioned here numbers, so you will write in your book. Third is dogs were kept to protect. Here is third, dogs were. Okay. Fourth is in the 1950s and 60s they were kept in kennels. Fifth is pet dogs became popular after World War II. Sixth, they wag their tails when they are happy. And here I am written here for very shortly, so you will understand here number also, so you will also understand. Okay, both of them here. 7 is they can be trained to follow instruction, and 8th last, dogs help the dog helps the police and differently able people. Okay, so this exercise is also done by me, and last exercise, that is page number 87. Okay. Here is true statement, false statement, and phrases, sentences from the story. One has been done. Second is the caged parrot loved to talk. Okay. So your phrases is, but our parrot refused to talk. Okay. Third, the bird loved Aunt Ruby. Answer is, but the bird took an instant dislike to my Aunt Ruby. Fourth is the narrator also ate cherries. Phrases is it gave me an opportunity to consume a couple of mango. Fifth, grandfather left the case open. I deliberately left the case door quite loose. Sixth, the bird winged its way to the guava orchard. Freedom of the mango orchard. Okay, so this all the exercise has done by me. I hope all of you understand very well. Fill your book at home. Take care. Bye bye.